Hey everyone, welcome back to our how-to video series for Snoooz. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of inviting team members and connecting multiple mailboxes in Snoooz. Whether you're adding a colleague or setting up additional inboxes for your workflow, I'll show you how it's done step by step. Let's get started. To invite a team member or connect another mailbox, go to the left-hand menu and click on Users. This is where you can manage all team members and additional mailboxes associated with your account. If you want to invite a colleague to Snoooz, click on the invite button right here. Here you can enter the team member's email address, then click enter to confirm the email. You can also add multiple emails if you have more team members. Once done, click invite. This will then send them an invitation, and they will receive an email with a link to join your team on Snoooz. This is perfect for a lot of different scenarios. One great example is, if you have an assistant and want them to manage your emails while you're not available, simply enter their email, then click invite, and you're all set. Now, if you have multiple mailboxes for different purposes, such as one for sales and another for support, you can add those mailboxes in Snoooz as well. For this, you would do the same thing. Click on invite users once again, and instead of entering a teammate's email, enter the email address of the additional mailbox you want to connect. Once done, click invite. This will send an activation link to the email inbox. Once you've received it, open the email for the mailbox, click the activation link, and follow the login steps. For instance, if you have a personal email and a support email, you can add both accounts to manage them under one Snoooz login. Just invite the other email account and follow the activation process. This will allow them to join, onboard, and set up all integrations for that account, like connecting the inbox, calendar, and/or email signature, which you can see under the integration section right here, or on the integration page on the left-hand side of the menu. Once the additional mailbox is connected, you can easily switch between them. Staying in the users page, you can see all the connected mailboxes. Simply select the one you want to manage. This works best when you run a business or manage both sales and customer support inboxes. You can switch between sales@snoooz.ai and support@snoooz.ai without logging in and out of separate accounts. For team accounts, you can control what each user can access. In the admin options section on the right hand side of the page, you can see that there's an option to grant admin access. What the admin access does is give you full control over account settings, rules, and user management. For the standard user, they can access inboxes but have limited admin permissions. A great example of this is if Sarah is handling only customer inquiries, you can assign her as a standard user, so she can manage emails but won't be able to change critical account settings. After adding multiple mailboxes, you may want to enable Snoooz automation for specific accounts. To do this all from the same account, you go to the admin options section of the mailbox you want to automate. Then select enable Snoooz. This is the airplane icon right here. You can now select when you want Snoooz enabled for this account. Once this is done, you can go ahead and press enable Snoooz. And just like that, you have now enabled that account to automate emails within Snoooz. This works out when you want another mailbox to send auto replies while you're away without the hassle of going from one account to another. This keeps everything organized and efficient. You can also customize and add different response templates to tailor whichever mailbox is being used. You can check out our how to create templates video for more information. Now, going back to the users section, you also have the option to deactivate or delete the mailbox off of Snoooz under the admin options. And that's it. You now know how to invite team members and connect multiple mailboxes in Snoooz. This feature is great for businesses, teams, and anyone managing multiple email accounts efficiently. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to videos. For more tips and support, visit our help center at help.snoooz.ai. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.